Hey folks, thanks for checking out the video. I'm Johnny from Greyskull Analytics, and today I'm going to give you an introduction as to what Greyskull Analytics is all about. So, what is Greyskull Analytics? Well, if you come here looking for some bright new analytics startup, sorry to disappoint you, but Greyskull Analytics is me. It's a website, it's a blog, it's this YouTube channel. It's something I've set up as a bit of a creative outlet just to give me the opportunity to really nerd out about Power BI. I'm a big fan of Power BI. I've been using it pretty much since it was released. And I just really wanted to create a fun way for me to be more active in the Power BI community. So I decided this was going to be it. Me setting up a website and a YouTube channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another Power BI YouTube channel. Yep, there's lots of them knocking about. There's lots of really great content out there as well. Do we really need another one? Probably not, but you know, to an extent, this has been set up as much for me as anything else. You know, my opportunity to do something a little bit creative whilst, you know, really getting passionate about a product I really love. So I guess what's going to make this channel different to what's out there? Well, I guess the one thing that's unique about this channel is me. What do I bring to the table? First of all, there's my experience with the product. So I've been working with business intelligence software since 2007. I cut my teeth, I guess, probably as everybody does, using Excel, but I started to experiment with Power Pivot and I started to use Power View. And then beyond that, I kind of got into more the sort of development side of business intelligence, and my last 5 years, I've been working as a full Microsoft BI stack developer, so I'm used to working with SQL Server, integration services, reporting services, and I've spent an awful lot of time with analysis services as well. So I guess I've experienced both sides of the coin in that BI world. I've been the sort of self-service user, you know, citizen developer type role, and I've done the enterprise developer role, working with enterprise data warehouses and analytics from that perspective. So I'm bringing my unique experience to the table. I guess the other thing I'm hoping to bring to the table as well is a bit of my personality. You know, this is a chance for me to put myself out there a little bit, you know, bring a bit of my unique spin to things. You know, I'm a bit of a punk rocker. I want to bring a bit of that punk rock attitude to the channel. And, you know, I'm a funny guy. I'm hilarious. So, yeah, want to... you know, make these videos about Power BI. Yeah, we'll cover how to use the product, you know, how I've used the product, what, you know, hints and tips I can pass on. I want to bring some of the softer skills to this as well. So for me, doing business intelligence well isn't just about knowing how to operate the software. There's all sorts of other skills that sort of sit on the periphery of this, you know, so being able to work in businesses and with stakeholders and understanding, you know, how you can make the most of data for them. So you might be working alongside people who aren't as data literate. If you're somebody who's working with Power BI, you might take it for granted that you know, get a buzz out of working with numbers. Other people in a business might really struggle with it. So, you know, how can you work alongside people to draw out what it is they want from dashboards and reports and things such as this, and really, you know, make you effective as a developer, not just somebody who knows which buttons to click to get the job done, but, you know, really draw out those effective ways of doing reporting and working in businesses doing it. So, yeah, there's me. As I say, I'm hoping to make these videos not just informative, but hopefully entertaining as well. So there it is, a brief introduction to Greyskull Analytics and what it's all about. If you've got any questions or you want to get a conversation started, don't be afraid to slide on into the comment section below. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to follow along with the Greyskull Analytics journey, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks once again for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.